So welcome again. So next is the after this adaptive clearing strategy. So I will right click here. So here I am using this tool number 11. So once again I will share this. Yeah, now you can see. So here for this adaptive clearing strategy, so I have used this tool number 11, that is 10 diameter with R1 mm bull nose. So the next is I will use a tool with a 5 diameter and a 0.5 mm radius bull nose with the remaining material removal from the cavity with the help of a small diameter tool, bull nose tool. So for that I will right click this adaptive clearing strategy. Then I will duplicate this, and then I will right click here, and then I will change the tool. I will change the tool. Yeah, I will change the tool. So 5 mm or 0.5 mm bull nose image. So the corner radius is 0.5 mm and the diameter is 5 millimeter. Okay, so I will select this tool number 14. Okay, and then the geometry, everything is the same. Then I will change the roughing step down to 5, and for this fine step down, for fine it is 1. So for roughing step down, that is 5, and for fine the step down is 1. Okay, then I will left to leave a small amount of material, so say 0.3 mm radial stock to leave and axial stock to leave. Then I will click OK. So here the toolpath is generating. Okay, so that toolpath is generated. So this is the toolpath. I will right click here, and then I will simulate this. Okay, so that's all about the rust machining. So rust machining means that is the here I am using this adaptive clearing strategy to remove the additional remaining stock, that is called rust machining. Additional remaining stock from the cavity using the adaptive clearing strategy. Thank you.